In this video, I will show you how to export your Illustrator project file. So click on File and here is the option Export. Once you click on Export, there is the two options: Export for screens and Export as. Also, you can save for web. So like Export for screen. This window will open. Your artboard will be selected. If you have multiple, so you can select or deselect any artboard. Select all if you have multiple or full document. So it will select the particular area. Here select the location where you want to save it. And leave as a default. Now here you can select any option like PNG, PNG8, JPG, PDF, SVG or WebP. Then just click here export artboards. Also you can clear this selection so you can export complete artboard, and if you select, so it will take the particular area where you have any object. And export. Select the location like I want to save on this video format folder and export. Now open it and you have this PNG file or whatever you save. So thanks for watching.